So I can put directions in through Grok or just saying the address into the voice command. I prefer using the voice command. So like saying directions to Food Lion. And it gives me a list of addresses. So let's try Grok out. Directions to Food Lion.
Found a Food Lion 0.8 miles away at 2901 South Main Street in Anderson. Which one do you want directions to? A, the closest, B, 7.3 miles away. Navigating to the closest Food Lion at 2901 South Main Street in Anderson. It's 1.6 miles away, about 5 minutes, arriving around 8:53 p.m.
So I prefer using just the voice command instead of Grok because Grok just talks a lot.
Got it. Voice command.
They were just listening to me. I just feel like the voice command is just, you say it, you press the button, and you got the address. So let's enable FSD. Plus, with Grok, if you don't sign in, there's like a limit to how much prompts you can do, and eventually it'll run out of prompts, which is why it's eventually. So originally I was doing just Grok commands, and then I ran out of prompts, so I switched over to just using the voice command with the car. I don't know why I turned on windshield wipers. It's not raining at all. So now I just do that. It's easier. So 4 minutes away, 1 mile. So since it's already dark outside, just turn the screen to dark mode. I think it looks pretty cool. Okay, got a 4-way stop. It almost felt like it wanted to go. Oh, it's a bumpy road. For a second there, it was kind of like easing off the brake. Okay, it's avoiding the person walking on the side of the street. Pretty good. So I ended up setting up my Apple Watch to unlock the car. So now it just connects with Bluetooth to my car and unlocks and starts. It's my Apple Watch uses my Apple Watch as the key. So I've had like with my Apple Watch, sometimes I'd come up to the car and it just wouldn't unlock right away, and it took like a second to recognize. I have the Apple Watch Ultra 2, I believe. Okay, just gonna choose a parking here. definitely like having the Tesla app on the Apple Watch, but I haven't really used it much other than just as a key. Okay, it's gonna park me somewhere. Don't park me by the carts, please. Okay, VIP. Not bad. Not bad. All right, we have arrived.